Hi, welcome. I'm going to give you a little tour of my Canvas course so you can know how to navigate it and what to look for. There won't be a ton on there right now because I don't have a ton of information on there for you right now. But I'll show you where things will go and where things will be so you can be successful in my course. So here's the home page. I have the picture of me that you can follow along with. I also have a picture of the website here as well. So it's just a homepage, picture of me, an American flag because it's U.S. history, and a little introductory message from me. And then there's some other links down here. So it's just a quick little introductory message. I have my office hours right here. So it's Monday through Thursday, 2 to 3 p.m. After school, if you need my help, I'll be happy to help you during these times. And if there's any other time as well that you need help as well on an assignment, let me know and I will be happy to help you. I have some important links and questions that I anticipate. This could be updated as I receive a lot of questions about different things and we're learning the things together. There may be new links updated here. So I have a link to the disclosure document. If you were to open that up, it will give you a download and you can open it up. So right here. So there it is. Here's the disclosure document. It's about 4 pages long, just talking about different assignments, different, like the grading scale, what you'll need in class, what I expect behavior, attendance, what we expect with COVID-19 prevention in my class and other stuff like that. I want you to read this over, you and either your parent or guardian, and then there's a quiz that will pop up next week that you will be able to access to say, yes, I read the quiz, or yes, I read the disclosure document. That's all the quiz is, and you get points for that. So that is that first link. The second link is, what do we need to do this week? This one's probably the one you're going to be using the most. I will link it into my Canvas course to what the list of assignments we're doing this week. So this week is week 1, and it pops up here, week 1 introduction. And in class, so it says, welcome to the first week of school. I'm happy to have you checking in here on Canvas. I will have a list of what you need to know to do each week on this first page and any announcements for the class. If you do your best on things on this list, you'll earn a higher grade. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I want to make this as easy for you as possible, so everything that you're going to need to turn in for a grade or everything that you could use as like extra credit or just for your own individual learning, I'll put on this page and I'll label it as so. The first thing is we'll be talking about what we will be doing in class. I'll also have links to that as well, so you know what to be doing like in class. And in case you are not able to attend class that day, you won't miss anything. Everything will be on on Canvas, so you can do it. I'll also have the things that you're expected to do at home. And this first one is a get to know you survey. If you click on this link, it'll take you to a Google document. You need to make sure that you are logged in to your Google account, and you should have access to it from there. And just fill it out, submit it. For mine right now, mine's logged into my teacher account, and it's not showing me because I am a fake student right now on this recording. Just showing you what it looks like from your view, so it makes more sense. So that is that link right there. Let's go back to the home page. There's 2 other links down here. So this one, what happened on this day in history? If you're just curious, like oh, what happened today in history? Today is August 18th, 2020, when I'm making this recording. So this day in history, August 18th, we come down and scroll down, and it gives you a little link. It's like the Soviet hardliners launched a coup against Gorbachev. This is basically the end of the Soviet Union. Maybe you'll ask your parents about that, because this was in 1991, on August 18th. And then it gives you a little bit of a description of all the things that happened, and then just some other information that you can find. So in case you're curious about history, you can check that link. The last link is how do I check my grades on PowerSchool. You can check your grades here on Canvas, where I will enter them, but they are official on PowerSchool. And this link just takes you straight to the student parent login of PowerSchool in case you forgot how to get there. So if you don't know how to get to PowerSchool, you can always access it through my page. Coming back up here to the top, on the left side, there's different links that you'll use in my course. The main one you'll probably be using is modules. And so I will have each week all the different assignments you need to do during that week. So like this is week 1 introduction page, is that first page you saw. And it's like, oh, well, all the things we're doing this week. You can click here to next. And the only thing I have up is the get to know you questionnaire. And you'll have to log in, like I said already, to do that. And this is, if you come here to the list of assignments, it gives you all the upcoming assignments that you'll be doing. And they order them in the day they're due. Another important feature is discussions. I'll be posting a discussion prompt every week, except for this first week, just to get you thinking a little bit about what you're learning. I will let you know what I expect from that and what you can do to be successful in that. Here you can also check grades. Right now I won't have anything. And one of the cool features about grades as well is you can show saved what if scores. So you can put in a score here and like guess, like, okay, like if I get a 0, am I going to get a bad grade in this class? You'd probably get a bad grade in this class if you get a 0 on the get to know you questionnaire. That's probably really easy. But you can test like, oh, like what can I do on this assignment? I want you to do your best on every assignment, but I understand if there are some things that are just, you're not doing your best at. There's some stressful time or something. You can use this to check what your grade would look like if you didn't do an assignment. But do your assignments, like, please. This next one is syllabus, and this will just have a list of the different days. And then quizzes also will have all the different quizzes that are posted. Right now there's nothing, but there will be something soon. Don't worry about this people link. That won't be on there when you get on there. And that is a little bit, and you can always come back to home, and it will always take you to this home page. Over here on the right side, you can view like different announcements or calendar items. There's not a lot on there right now because there's not a lot on this Canvas course, but there will be as we go throughout the year together. There's also a list of to-do items, the things that you haven't done yet, and that will list in the order they're due, and that will be really helpful for you as well. And that is an introduction to my Canvas course. Thank you for watching, and good luck.